this is the stage in Aza. We just about to introduce the husband and the wife. They're gonna be married today. You can see the left, you can see all the crowd. They are the crowd, they're ready. The crowd. That's the crowd from Fiji, the long way down from the Pacific. And I'm the father of the wife down here. I'm from Argentina, this is Macarabejo. And this is the fellow from Fiji, the Kuanga. They just about to come to the stage. And they're gonna do some style, lovely style. Argentina style. Alright, we're gonna count 1, 2, 3. And I want the choir to sing the song.